Being an interior designer, observing buildings and its minute details has always been wonderful. During my college time, we went to different cities and urban sketching has always been one of the most important part of our studies. So what usually happened is that we went to that particular building structure, we take our sketchbooks and start sketching and scribbling on the paper right in the live location. Generally, I always had enjoyed doing urban sketching a lot, and this is one of the most amazing art forms that I had come across. And I was wondering, let me share the style of urban sketching that I do. Hey everybody, welcome back to my new class. Myself Rutvik Patel. I am a self-taught independent artist based in Gujarat, India. I am also a professional interior designer, so people who might not be knowing me and had joined me recently can find most of my artworks being displayed on Instagram. I go by the name Shatraj Artisans. In this class, I'll be taking you through all the materials and art supplies that you will need. We'll be starting with a basic practice exercise, and I'll be also talking about the perspective in each particular painting. We are going to start with a basic sketch first, and then we'll be moving towards the inking part. No need to worry, I'll be taking you through all minute details and drawing methods. We are going to talk about the colors that you are going to use in each painting. The most amazing part is that for completing the entire painting, we'll be needing a single brush only. We'll be talking about the movement of your brush, and we'll be also talking about how you can control the water capacity in your watercolors. You are definitely going to enjoy the method that I apply on my urban sketching, and we are going to paint 3 different paintings. No need to worry at all, the entire class is recorded in real time frame so that you can understand everything clearly and properly. I am very sure that you are going to learn something new out of this class, and you will be definitely enjoying the process. I'll be really happy if you try all the 3 paintings. So without any delay, grab your art supplies, join me, and let's get started with all the 3 paintings.